Hello friends, I am Lini Hajinsu. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are talking about rose quartz. What is rose quartz? Rose quartz is a pink variety of quartz known as the heart stone or love stone. Its gentle pink hue comes from the trace amounts of titanium, iron or manganese. It typically appears in massive forms around the world. Spiritually, it is believed to attract love, confidence, inner peace, and healing. It is also said to ease anxiety and stress. Where is rose quartz found? Rose quartz is found in many parts of the world, including Brazil, Madagascar, South Africa, India, and the United States. Brazil and Madagascar are known for producing the highest quality specimens with vibrant pink shades and excellent transparency. History of rose quartz. Rose quartz has been cherished since Mesopotamia, today's Iraq, dating back to 7000 BC as a love talisman. The Romans and the Egyptians used it in jewelry and talismans. Ancient Egyptians believed rose quartz could prevent aging and keep the skin youthful. In Greek mythology, it was said that the stone was created when the blood of Aphrodite, the goddess of love, stained white quartz after she tried to save her love, Adonis. This legend connected rose quartz forever with themes of love and healing. Types of rose quartz. Common rose quartz. The most widely available, soft pink and usually translucent to opaque. Star rose quartz. Displays as six-rayed star effect known as asterism when polished. This is rare and very valuable. Clear pink quartz. More transparent with vibrant color, sometimes called gem-grade rose quartz. How to identify natural rose quartz? Color. Rose quartz natural tones range from pale pink to medium deep pink. If the pink is extremely bright and uniform, it could be dyed glass or synthetic quartz. Transparency. Real rose quartz usually has a soft, cloudy or milky appearance with uneven color distribution. Inclusions and flaws. Rose quartz have milky inclusions and flaws like internal needle-like lines or fractures of minerals like rutile or sillimanite. Also, natural rose quartz feels cool to the touch. Hardness. Rose quartz has mousse hardness of 7. Rose quartz versus similar crystals. Many people confuse rose quartz with other similar pink stones. Rose quartz versus pink calcite or pink agate. Pink calcite and agate are softer on mousse scale around 3 to 6 and can get easily scratched, while rose quartz has typical quartz hardness of 7. Pink calcite, also called pink magano, has a softer pearly luster and will glow pink under UV light. Dyed quartz or glass is often sold as rose quartz. Dyed quartz or glass is often too bright, too clear, with almost no inclusions on it. Pink Himalayan salt and rose quartz are often mistaken for each other due to their similar pale pink hues. Pink Himalayan salt is a type of rock salt mined from the Cura salt mine in Pakistan, while rose quartz is a mineral, a variety of quartz known for its pink color. Who can wear rose quartz? Rose quartz is ruled by Venus, the planet of love, beauty, and harmony. This makes it especially powerful for people born under Taurus and Libra, both ruled by Venus. However, it's a universal stone. Anyone struggling with heartbreak, self-love, or emotional stress can benefit from it. Some sources suggest it to be used by Pisces or Cancer for heart healing. Rose quartz is also considered a great stone for parents, caregivers, and healers as it encourages unconditional love and compassion. It is also recommended for people in professions that involve empathy, counseling, healing, or creativity. Side effects of rose quartz. Generally, rose quartz is considered safe, but a few side effects that are said to be are: some people report feeling emotionally overwhelmed when first wearing it. This is because it can bring suppressed emotions to the surface. Some people may experience skin irritation or allergic reactions if wearing rose quartz long term, especially with sensitive skin. Benefit and positive effects of rose quartz. Emotional and mental healing. Rose quartz is said to open and heal heart chakra, which means it helps with forgiveness, dissolving resentment, grief, and sorrow. It is believed to encourage self-love, self-worth, trust, and kindness, which helps you succeed in life. Rose quartz is said to help individuals battling with depression or anxiety. Rose quartz is claimed to encourage positive thoughts in you. Relationship and love. Rose quartz attracts romantic love, strengthens bonds with friends, family, and encourages peace in relationships. Physical health and traditional uses. Rose quartz is said to support heart circulation and heart health, reduce tension and lung congestion. Rose quartz is believed to support skin healing and have anti-aging properties. Rose quartz benefits fertility and overall conception. It is claimed to balance hormones. Rose quartz is also used as protective gemstones during pregnancy and childbirth. Rose quartz is believed to help with migraines and headaches. Some people also claim that rose quartz helps with getting rid of addictions. If you feel scared a lot, then rose quartz is said to remove feelings of fear, resentment, and anger. Rose quartz is believed to regulate blood pressure in people as well. Spiritual and energetic. If you have issues in focusing in anything, rose quartz is believed to help you focus and aid in meditation. Rose quartz is helpful in replacing negative energy with loving vibrations. Many people I know use rose quartz when they are going through grief of losing their loved ones. They say that it helps them overcome the pain. Price. Generally, rose quartz is considered affordable and widely available due to its abundant deposits worldwide. Tumbled stones or small pieces can cost as little as $2 to $5. Jewelry pieces may range from $20 to $100 depending on quality. Rare types like star rose quartz or highly transparent specimens can go much higher in price. Real versus fake rose quartz test at home. You can do scratch test at home. Rose quartz has hardness 7, so it shouldn't scratch easily with a steel blade. Glass imitations, however, will scratch. You can also do visual inspection by looking for internal flaws and inclusions. Natural rose quartz usually has cloudy or uneven shades of pink. Temperature test. Real rose quartz feels cool to the touch even on hot days. Bubble test. If you see tiny bubbles inside, it's most likely glass, not real rose quartz. But the best way to find out is to get it tested at the gem lab. Additional cleansing and care tips. How to cleanse and recharge rose quartz. Though I don't believe in this at all, but people say to cleanse and recharge rose quartz, you should do sage smudging or rinse it under running water or place it under full moonlight. Laying rose quartz on clear quartz or selenite clusters can also cleanse and recharge it. Wear tips. Many traditions advise wearing rose quartz on left hand as it is receiving the blessing side for bracelets and rings. Others recommend to wear it as a necklace for maximum benefits. In Vedic studies, astrologers recommend rose quartz ring in left hand's ring finger to enhance romance and marriage. Rose quartz in right hand's middle finger is used to balance emotions and self-worth. Meanwhile, astrologers recommend rose quartz to wear in pinky finger to boost communication, especially in love and relationship. Astrologers say to set clear intentions and combine paired crystals thoughtfully while wearing rose quartz. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. I hope you love this rose quartz video, and I will see you with another video soon. Bye!